Gym owners, what's up? I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope things go smoothly in your day. So yeah, today I'm doing this video to show you what kind of results I have generated for my current client. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you. So mind you, I generated these results for my client um, without ad spend. He spent like $0 on ad spend because most of you guys think that oh, to generate members I need to advertise, and I'm not saying that it's wrong, but there are other ways cheaper and better to do that. So you don't need to spend 2,000 on ads to get these results. So we had 155 people opt in, and as you can see here, let me go to my pipeline. Come on. So yeah, as you can see here, guys, we have 47 people that showed up to their appointment, and five of them like brought a friend with them as well. So it's about 52 to 53 walk-ins we got for them. So yeah, there is the results, guys. We got them about like 52 to 53 walk-ins in 4 weeks without them spending a single dime on ads. Like, you know, this is the best way because, guys, trust me, this stuff works. I wouldn't be here trying to pitch you something if I didn't believe that this will work. So yeah, this is the results I've been able to generate for my client. He also closed 12 members, which is quite bad, I think. If he had a little bit higher, close rate, he could have easily closed like 20 members, but he closed 12. It's okay. Um, we work on that as well. Like we help you sell, we have scripts and stuff. So yeah, guys, these are results with zero ad spend again. If you want to be next or you want the same results or better, you can book a call with me down below on the link. So yeah, that's what I had to share with you guys. Um, and yeah, hope you have a nice day. Hope sales come into your gym. Bye.